Welcome to ILM-E-DEEN Kids Tarbiyah. Today we will learn the beautiful duas to say before eating, if we forget, and after eating. Let's begin. What to say before eating? We should say Bismillah. Now say it with me. Bismillah. It means in the name of Allah. What to say if we forget? Oops, did you forget to say Bismillah before eating? Don't worry, you can say this. Bismillahi fi awwalihi wa akhirih. Now repeat after me. Bismillahi fi awwalihi wa akhirih. It means in the name of Allah at its beginning and its end. What to say after eating? We should say this beautiful dua. Alhamdulillahi alladhi at'amani hadha wa razaqanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwah. Now let's say it together. Alhamdulillahi alladhi أطعمني هذا ورزقنيه من غير حول مني ولا قوة. It means praise is to Allah who has fed me this and provided it for me without any might nor power from myself. Now you know what to say before if you forget and after eating. Well done, little learners. Don't forget to subscribe for more Islamic videos. And if you want to join online classes, check the description box below. See you next time. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.